The Bernina slide-on table has been on machines for years, and I want to show you why it is so important that you use this. So number one, it can easily just slide off by taking your thumb, putting it up against the housing, and kind of push, and it will slide right underneath the foot. When it slides in, I usually kind of line it up, maybe give it a little tap on the end, and it completely attaches to the machine. Look how strong and solid that is. I always recommend that students take their slide-on table with them when they go to class. It just gives you the nice work area. Now, a lot of you have sewing furniture that your sewing machine fits down in, and you are used to everything being nice and flush, one big flat area. If you don't have the luxury of a sewing cabinet, then this becomes your second best friend. So it does give you that work surface. Your fabric will flow easily across if you're doing machine quilting or just supporting a large project. The time I take it off the machine is when I want to use the free arm, where I might be needing the fabric to kind of come underneath the arm of the machine, and that's no problem. But do keep in mind, because of the way this is made, this is actually a free arm. The fabric can flow under this table, and that is a Bernina exclusive. So you will find that you have wonderful work area, plus a little room right underneath here for maybe scissors and pins that won't be pushed off your table when your fabric is going across.